Hey, Dan Passarelli here, and happy Friday. We made it through another week, and what a week it was. Oh my goodness. Closing up on a high note today, up, was right before the close here, but about 0.8%. And that still leaves us down on the week, just a tiny little smidge though. No big whoop, as the kids say. Or at least that's what the kids used to say when I was a kid. Now, we talked yesterday about the selling pressure on option prices that in a lot of cases keeps option prices lower and makes it a little harder for wheel trades in those specific names, which is not all of them, but it's some of them. But I was thinking today that there's also another force going on that I should make sure to share with you. We tend to see this force once a week on Fridays, even starting on Thursday afternoons, where the market takes the weekend out. And so by the end of the day on Friday, like now, we're probably trading on about Monday's days, which makes the implied volatility seem lower. Now, next week, guess what? Next week, we have the Christmas holiday. On the 25th, it's Christmas Day. The market's closed. The 24th, we close early, if I'm not mistaken. I ought to double check that, but I'm pretty sure it's early. And there's probably going to be a lot less activity as a lot of the big traders take the week off. So a lot of the market makers are trading even further days ahead. And by Monday, I'm sure we'll start trading on Tuesday's days. And so all this basically makes the implied volatility look even lower than it is, but that's only because the models are trading a day or two or three or maybe even four ahead. So that can kind of make the volatility figures that you see be a little bit less accurate. They're actually higher than they look. Be cognitive of that. Now, next week, although we have the Christmas holiday, it's not a total sleeper. We're going to have some GDP and PCE information along with the weekly jobless claims, which the unemployment situation is becoming more and more important as we got the two figures this week that are somewhat suspect in how accurate the data is. So we're definitely going to be looking closely at that going forward to see what the Fed holds in future rate cuts. I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart, and have a great weekend.